Detailed biography of Bo Young-yoon. Hello guys, welcome to CK Goes Hai. Please like, share, subscribe our channel. Let's start the biography of Bo Young-yoon. Name: Bo Young-yoon. Nickname: Bo. Profession: Boat is a Thai actor and model who is becoming more prominent in the BL drama industry. He is known for his expressive acting and strong on-screen chemistry with co-stars. Beyond acting, he is also active in modeling, photo shoots, and commercial endorsements. Date of birth: Boat was born on October 23, 2000. As of 2025, he is 24 years old. Birthplace: Boat was born in Thailand, though specific detail about his exact hometown remain private. Education: Boat is currently pursuing or has completed higher education, but specific information about his university or field of study is not widely publicized. Like many young Thai actors, he likely balances acting with academics. Sexual orientation: Boat has not publicly identified his sexual orientation. While he frequently portrays gay characters in BL dramas, this is part of his professional acting career and does not necessarily reflect his personal orientation. Family: Boat has not shared many public details about his family. Like many rising actors, he prefers to keep his personal life private, especially regarding his parents or siblings. Debut: Boat made his acting debut in the Thai BL entertainment industry through small roles in series and promotional content. His earlier projects helped him gain camera confidence and connect with fans. While his first few appearances were not headline grabbing, they laid the foundation for what would become a steady rise in the BL genre. Rise to fame: Boat's rise to fame came through his involvement in Thai BL dramas, where he showcased impressive emotional depth and chemistry with co-stars. His talent, good looks, and natural charm made him popular with local and international audiences. Notable works: Boat is best known for his roles in popular Thai BL series. Specific drama titles may vary based on his recent projects. He has played both main and supporting roles that captured attention for their emotional arcs and character dynamics. His notable works often involve romantic pairings, heartwarming moments, and relatable storytelling that appeals to BL fans globally. Music career: As of 2025, Boat has not launched a solo music career, but he has participated in OSTs and promotional theme songs tied to the dramas he stars in. Many BL actors in Thailand participate in singing as a part of their projects, fan meetings, or series promotions. Reality shows: Boat has made appearances on Thai variety and reality shows, particularly those involving BL actors and fan interactions. These shows give fans a glimpse into his real life personality, often showing a playful, charming, and occasionally shy side. Net worth: As of 2025, Boat Young Yat's estimated net worth is between 1 million to 3 million US dollars. Income source: Boat earns primarily from his acting roles in dramas, especially in the BL genres. Additional income comes from modeling gigs, endorsements, sponsored posts, and appearances in reality shows or fan events. Cars: Toyota Fortuner, Honda Civic, Mazda CX-5. Famous chemistry: The pairing of Boat and Oat has become one of the most beloved emerging BL chemistries in the Thai entertainment scene. Their on-screen relationship, often highlighted by natural emotional flow and playful interactions, has won over countless fans locally and internationally. Hobbies. Boat clearly enjoys beach vacations, frequently posting photos of himself relaxing by the sea, soaking in sunsets or chilling on shorelines. Pets. There's no public record or social media evidence indicating that Boat currently has any pets. His Instagram and fan coverage focus on his interests, travel, and work, but no photos or mention of cats, dogs, or other animal appear. Final note: Boat is a rising star in Thailand's booming BL entertainment scene with growing international appeal. Though he is still early in his career, his emotional range, charming personality, and dedication to his roles mark him as a talent to watch. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, CK Gossip.